22 SM kaya. Okay. Ba, nag-light pala yung kulay nila.
Opo.
Tawag dyan, flow.
Flow.
Okay. Bayaran na. Ayun o, so we're here. We're back! Ameron, flow na siya. So yan daw yung high life. Ano daw yan? High life Pro. So been an avid fan of Ameron since itong nakakalagay dito still starts run and drives 2018 pa. So yun. Yun. So matagal na akong avid pa ng Ameron kasi etong sa akin since 2018 as far as I remember. Birahin natin ng konti. Ayun, since 2018 siya and still starts one click. Nakapag engine swap na nga eh. So one click pa din. Daily ko yung kotse from work or from home to office. Daily na daily. Aircon all the way. So yun. Just wanted to share this within the vlog. Kasi yung luma ko mapupunta doon sa isang kotse which is nakakabit dito. Tapos ito kay Stacy syempre. Oh shoot, lalim. Which is ito mapupunta kay Stacy. Syempre, ang favorite na anak. Grabe ni ang alikabok dito sa amin guys oh. Grabe. Lumipat yung Saudi sa Pilipinas. Grabe yung alikabok kayo. I don't know if it's Saudi, Qatar, or Dubai. Look at that, look at the road. Oh my goodness. That ain't good. Imagine kung di ka naka-aircon. Sheesh. Ayun o. So, kabit natin. Kakabit ko na rin to since bago na ang battery. Tapos, ano ba kailangan natin dun? 12. Dumi ng gamit ko, no? So, ito na. Proper set of tools to dismount this. Talagang hinintay ko muna magkaroon ng battery na bago, no? Bago kabit yun. Medyo maarte, no? Ayan. Ito, geez. Okay, let's loosen this up. Ay! Scan pala muna natin. Bago ang lahat, scan muna natin. Okay, so scan muna natin. Nakapag-charge na to. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so before natin isalpak yun, yung Ameron na yun, which is flow, sabi nila. Scan muna natin. So nakasalpak na. Alright, so natin kung walang fault code kasi re-reset yan. So gusto ko muna mahuli kagad kung meron siyang fault code, ba-address ko muna before bunutin ang battery. Scanner working its thing. Alright, so wala namang fault detected. Patayin na natin. Okay, so let's unplug this. Okay, so unplug na. Let's bring it into the other car. Yun know, another 90s car. Okay, there's a stand. technique na naman. Wala pa tong battery tray, hindi ko pa na to lalatero. So sa weekends, address ko yan. But for now, will be putting a battery. Lagay ko lang itong mga lona na to. Okay, so nalagay ko na. That's to prevent from short circuit. Tsaka para hindi ma-drain. Okay. Okay. So mamaya ko muna hihigpitan yan. Okay, so nakabit ko na yun. Ito naman. Wow, let's unbox this. So, ito ay high life lang. O mid variant. Wow. 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 Okay. Let's get it. Okay, so ang ganda ng kulay niya. Mas light na siya kaysa dun sa isa. Yun. So, let's plug this in. Whew. Too heavy. Dumi. Ito yung dumi sa labas eh. Oh, it's starting to corrode. Sa weekends ka sa akin. Okay, so push natin. Okay. Wow, bago battery, bro. Alright. Oh no. Can't unplug it. Wow. Yan pala siya. Ayan. Wow, ang sikip. Alright, so green pa yon. Alright. So, moment of truth. Walang spark. Oh, good. Sabihin, wala tayong mga short circuit or walang buhay na linya. Sabihin nun, may parasitic draw pag naging spark yan. Ayan. So, good. Ipitan ko lang yan. Okay. Ipitan natin. Alright, so, pretty much that's it. And then, after that, let's do this. Taray. Taray. Okay. And washer. Grabe yung upgrade ko ngayon ha. Ako yung tumipid. Grabe yung upgrade ko guys. Sa kotse ko, ako yung tumipid. Ayun, so nakabit ko na. Wow, runes ko. Peking-peke, no? So, yun. May pit na rin niya. May cover, may lock washer, may plain washer. So, ayun. Ang dumi na. So, weekend ko na lang gagalabin yan. So, yun. Nothing much. This is just the update for my project car / daily car. So, ayan. Naka light green na siya na battery. Ito yung luma. So, nabili ko to guys, 2018 pa, way back. So, ito pa rin siya, still alive and kicking. Ayan o. Start nga natin. Tingnan natin kung i-start. Hey, finish your food. Try natin, oh. Ay, may vlog pa lang paparating. Pinalitan ko na fuel pump to, which is E85 capable. So yun. Let's fire up. Still alive and kicking. Cold start. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong karga. Alright, grabe. Takal na hindi na pa-start to. Nag-gas pa rin pala to. Okay babe Ayun, nothing much guys. Again, this is DC Works. Just a life update within my cars, my V14s. So yun, again, this is DC Works. Always maintain your car. Always love your car. See you in the next vlog guys. Bye.